Hello and welcome to a video tutorial on the scraping functions of Python and Beautiful Soup. I got a page here called clasificadosonline.com. This is in Puerto Rico. So I'm trying to scrape this page and dump stuff into a text file called joblist.txt. So what are we gonna need? We're gonna need the Beautiful Soup and we're gonna need request. How do we use it? When the URL request goes into the page, we just try to change the index here for the area. That's on the single page mode. So we got two parsers. We got the single one and the multi-page parser. Control find can get you the index right now on this usage, but let's say you want to go and search 65, you just put that in the index on the script, and that will be the output, and it would save the file in that job.txt. Alright, so let's go and check out the script. We're doing all the imports, doing a class definition, the initialization. So we got two self functions which are the scraper and the file handler. The scraper itself got all of the header stuff, at least within list, to move the dictionary so it can be indexed within a list comprehension. We got all of these URL variables that will be like the base, so we change it around here and then we make an empty list. So all of this formatting that will be like in between just category and other instances. So we go to the Pueblo category here, and this is where we change the index for the area, and then that's the concatenation that would go into the URL search. So we got the soup, to the parse, use the Beautiful Soup to look for the anchor, and then if the job URL is not in the list, just append the job and the URL and print that it appended. Then we do the multi-page parser, which basically is like an empty list with a general jobs category. Like it does everything, all areas. This one, if you do it a lot, you may have problems later, so just use it with caution. We got this database at the end, like basic stuff, text moving. I'm just dumping all of the results into a text file, and then we initialize with the classified scraper, and if the name is the main function, if you want to do something later with another object or include something later, like this is the main script for just this only file. Well, we got the dictionary too, but that doesn't like actually count. Have a good day, and I hope you enjoyed this video.